Hello everyone, we're here in my channel segment Ask Me and I will try to answer. That is the translation of Tanong Mo, Sagot Ko. And this video is requested by Dayday Konsing. So the question is how to submit and edit your tax information in AdSense. So these are the steps. Number 1, go to Google AdSense. So on Google AdSense, there are lots of selections. So just select payments. The number 3, click manage settings. Number 4, press the edit icon beside United States tax info, the one like pen icon. Number 5, choose individual if that applies to you. If not, then choose the other one. And don't forget to click next after each question. Number 7, tick no if you are not from United States. Number 8, click next. Number 9, choose which one is applicable to you. So there are 2 options there. So which one will suit you, then choose it. So just click the circle thing. Number 10, press start W8 Ben form if you choose the first option. Number 11, select country from where are you. So I'm from Philippines, so I choose Philippines. Number 12, type your TIN number, taxpayer identification number. Number 13, click next. Number 14, fill up or write your address on the space provided. Number 15, tick no if you are not from United States. There are 2 options here, so it's up to you which one you choose. But I choose no because I'm not from United States. Number 16, press next. Number 17, tick the box to confirm. Number 18, press next. Number 19, make sure to read the given statement. Number 20, type your real name on the space provided under your signature. Number 21, choose yes if you are the person listed on the signature. Number 22, choose no if it is applicable to you. If not, then choose yes. Number 23, tick the box if you choose no. Number 24, choose the second option if it is applicable to you. If not, then choose the other one. Number 25, tick the box if you agree with the second option. Number 26, press submit to complete the form. And the last one, number 27, check if it is approved. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video.